With the Spitfire Scout 3-wheel version, you get great maneuverability in tight spaces with an amazing 45-inch turning radius and an extended footboard which benefits taller riders. And when the battery gauge shows the need for recharging, it's simple from the port on the battery pack. Along with great performance, the Spitfire Scout offers excellent comfort. The upholstered stadium-style seat can swivel 180 degrees and also has 3 height selections to suit users of nearly any height. The padded armrests flip up for convenient boarding and exiting of the scooter, and the armrest width can be adjusted to best fit the user. Plus, the tiller's angle is adjustable to position the controls in the most comfortable driving position. You can always count on Drive Medical to bring you convenient and innovative lifestyle solutions, now and for the road ahead.